Hello, everybody. My name is Mark, and this is a amateur review of the Speed Queen TC5000NW. I bought this from my local Speed Queen dealer about 3 weeks ago, and I wanted to give you an amateur review about it, just in case you are wanting to buy something like this. It is an investment. It does cost quite a bit. It comes with a 3-year warranty, but there's also a 10-year warranty on this drum here, stainless steel. This particular model has the agitator, a very large agitator, as you can see. I also did a little bit of research before I bought this. The Maytag commercial that everyone loves. Went to my local Lowe's, and it's good. It's a very good machine. Costs less, and you probably are going to get a lot of years from it. But the only one thing that I saw about that Maytag commercial is the agitator was a lot smaller. It was about this size. This is even longer a little bit, but of course we're paying a top premium for this, and I'm just don't have any complaints about this. Uh, and here's the model number and my serial number. This is a. I was reluctant to buy this before I did my shopping. I didn't want the 2018 one, which had digital buttons here. It was very digital. Don't let this fool you guys. I know this is a kind of a turnoff as customers because it is dialed, but it's like a digital dial, as you can hear it. This is the extra settings here, optional settings. You got your heavy soil, extra rinse, pre-soak, extra rinse, and off. Okay, my first load ever, I had this extra rinse pre-soak. I put it in there, and it didn't work. It freaked me out. It says, "Oh my God, I got a bad manufactured a washing machine." Nope. It takes 10 minutes for it to soak. Well, it put in the water. It filled up the water all the way here, all the way. Oh, by the way, I did ask it to fill up the whole thing, and everything was on. Everything was good, but it takes 10 minutes for it to soak, and then it started on your cycle. I know I mentioned bad things about this. The only bad thing about this is it does use a lot of water, which is fine, which is okay, as long as you're aware of that. But you have the option to do the eco save if you want. Here's the deep fill option. You can press it, and it'll go all the way to the top. And you could unpress it, and it'll go to about 3/4, about right there, I would say, or right here. And if you press the deep fill button, it'll go all the way to the top right here. So that's the option, and you can always override it if you like. If you're a conservationist, a water conservationist, you want to be at 24 hours a day, you can always put it on normal eco. You can always do that, and you can save your water and not press the fill button, so that's fine. Then you got the delicate here. You got the spin here, which is good. I like this setting right here. If you have something thick, like a blanket or something thick, just put it as an extra spin. Put it there and just press the start key and stop. Okay, so you gotta hold it down 3 seconds. and you cancel it. Okay, these are not flipped like a light switch. It's touch sensitive, so that could be a bad thing, depending on if you have a disability or maybe you have arthritis. That could be a bad thing, but it is touch sensitive, and usually you would have to touch it right here, and you have to find a sweet spot. Usually. Okay, the spin. Back to our my explanation. The extra spin, if you have a thick garment, like a coat or a thick blanket, give it a session with the spin before you put it in the dryer. Really helps it out. It really helps out your dryer. Really wrings it out. And here you have your. I can't make it out on the screen. Heavy bulk sheets. Usually I use this for my sheets. I have a queen size bed. I have my dad change his bed too. We do bed sheets. And this is the one I use all the time. Heavy duty. So I do use this. I fill it up all the way to the top. I don't care if they're color, white, because with the COVID-19 thing happening, so I don't have work clothes. So I have my house clothes, my items that I need to be done. And this is heavy permanent press. Here we are. Permanent press. Yes, that's for your pants and anything that requires steam. But as far as I'm concerned, the normal Eco, it is good. It's more like I would characterize it as a delicate. However, if you want to conserve water, you can use this if you like. And another thing that I learned is this. I know it doesn't give you half stops. So hot, warm, cool, which is halfway between, and cold. So it does not give you like half stops, like cool, warm, or hot, or like warm. So it doesn't give you half stops. So that might be a concern if you're into water temperature. But I do keep it on warm, and it does come out warm. The one thing about this one that elevates it from the main tag one commercial is it does have straight hot water. This is a very good Speed Queen. The old school transmission. I've been a Speed Queen fan since I was a kid. My grandma used to have a Speed Queen. My mom, no, she was more of a diehard Kenmore person, but we used to have a Kenmore commercial here. As you can see, this is not the Speed Queen dryer, but this is still going. But I bought a Speed Queen. But I've always been a fan of Speed Queen, so I hope this will be helpful for you and your kids. Hopefully, you can put a whole lot of stuff in here. So far, I've put in about 6 pants. But you gotta remember, there's 2 people in my household, me and my dad. We put about 6 pants, a couple of shirts, and it's done well. It's done very well. It's not perfect by any means. It's very reliable. It's very strong. But there are some areas for improvement. All right, thank you guys. You have a good day, and I hope you consider buying a Speed Queen at your local Speed Queen dealer. Bye bye.